Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to design this stunning design that you can actually use for your website and your landing page. And I'll be showing you guys how I do all this stuff. So let's get started. So first of all, you come here. So this shape tools, as you can see, there are a lot of shape tools. Either maybe let me click on it, rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, so and polygon. So you have to click ellipse. As you can see, ellipse. This is ellipse. Click on it and drag like this. So that is the first step. So after that, you have to double click on the circle, double click. So you see four dots, as you can see. So click on this one. So you just have to follow the step one by one. So as you can see, like this. So you have to come here to expand it like this. Likewise this. Just just be playing all around. Come here to shift it like this. Just make sure you know how to use the tools very well. Yes. As you can see, we're almost there. So shift this one like this. So we're almost there. So yes. It's not that hard. So just make sure you know how to play all around. Yes. So after that, double click again and make sure you reduce this size. So after that, you have to prepare your image. Make sure your image is intact. So just come here, come to field. As you can see, this field, come here, click on it, and you can now come here, this image, this color, you want to change the color, as you can see, this color, but you are not changing color, you are changing image. You are changing image. So before that, you have to duplicate the design like this. You have to give this one color. Let me see. Let me find one color. Just give it this color. Let's say color green. Or you can just come here and pick color. Just click these tools. This color picker. As you can see, click it. Then come here. Click on it. So that's all. After that, you now have to take this one. Just you can right click to send to what? Send to font. Bring to font rather. You have to reduce the size. Adjust the size again. Okay. Just know how to play around. So we do the size again. So you have to double click this and just adjust. Double click this one too. Adjust. So you're almost there. Yeah. So now come to field. Come here. You now see image and upload. Click on upload to from computer. Make sure your image is intact. I'm using the same image. Yeah, this is just click on it and open. So as you can see. So after that, you have to group everything together. Just click here and do like this. Then right click and then group section. So that's all. That's so. So you can reduce the size. You can reduce the size. Just click here and reduce the size like this. Like this. As you can see, we're almost there. So that's all about that. If you want to download, just come here, click on it. You can download as SVG or PNG. So just click export. So it's already downloaded. So that's all about that. So and in my next video, I will show you guys how I use this design for my funnel. You can use this for funnel or maybe website, either of the two. So see you guys next in my next video. Thanks.